At what age does a Roth IRA not make sense? Hey everyone, Adam Bergman here, tax attorney and founder of IRA Financial. And on today's video, we're talking Roth IRAs. And I love Roth IRAs. I wrote a book, In God We Trust and Roth We Prosper. All my retirement funds, IRA, 401k, or Roth. So when does it not make sense to do a Roth IRA? Is there an age, income limitation, type of individual? Hard. I'm going to give you the lawyer answer. There's no right or wrong answer. What's a Roth IRA? Right, Roth IRA, you can put away $6,500 or $7,500 if you're over 50 in 2023. The idea of a Roth is you do not get a tax deduction when you make the contribution, but so long as you're over the age of 59 and a half, Roth's been open at least 5 years, all Roth IRA distributions are tax-free. Yeah, no tax. And there's no required minimum distributions when you turn 73. That Roth can keep growing and growing. God forbid you pass, you can leave it to a spouse tax-free. And then if your spouse passes, God forbid, then your kids generally have 10 years to pull that money out tax-free. So really, really huge, powerful tax planning tool. So when does it make sense not to have one? Well, this is the deal. The older you are, the less value a Roth has. Why? Because if you're 65 and open a Roth IRA, just less opportunity to grow, right? If you believe that when you retire, when you hit your 60s, 70s, 80s, you can have very, very low income, then a Roth IRA has less value. Why? Because your tax rate's going to be low. So maybe doing a traditional IRA, getting a tax deduction when you were younger and making more money, and ultimately just paying tax on the IRA distribution because your tax rate is super low when you were 75 or 80, ultimately that maybe's the right choice. So the categories to consider is your age. The younger you are, the more, I think, important a Roth IRA is. What's your income level when you retire? Hard to know, right? But do you think you're going to be active? Do you think you're going to work till you die? Do you have an expensive lifestyle, moderate lifestyle? How much money are you going to need? If you think you're going to have a very, very low tax rate, then maybe the Roth doesn't have as much value. Same with conversions, right? How confident are you in your investment strategy? If you're a pretty bad investor like I am, maybe Roth conversions don't always work. If you're a good investor like Peter Thiel or Elon Musk, then maybe doing Roth conversions work because all that future appreciation would be tax-free. So putting it all together, sorry, there's no right or wrong answer, but you got to consider your age, what your income level will be when you're older, your investment potential ultimately, and how much you can trust yourself to not tap in to your Roth IRA. If you want to learn more about doing Roth conversions, doing a Roth IRA contribution, self-directed Roth IRA, self-directed solo 401k, you came to the right place. We literally wrote the book on the self-directed Roth IRA, self-directed solo 401k. Give us a call. Love to help you. Leave a comment. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you learned a lot about why a Roth IRA makes a lot of sense and some of the items to consider if you are going Roth.